everyone! Welcome back to Easy Survival English. Today's story is called
Taylor Can't Stop Shopping Online.
Taylor loves online shopping. She buys things every day, sometimes without thinking. But one day, everything changes. Listen carefully. Let's begin.
Hello? Who is there?
Special delivery for Miss Taylor. Please sign here.
Oh, wow! My packages are here already.
Taylor, what is this? Did you buy the whole store?
No, just some small things. Big discount, 80% off.
Important words. Delivery, bringing packages. Discount, lower price.
Only 2 minutes left. Buy one, get one free. Big bottle, useful. Funny hat, why not? Cheap shoes. Add to cart, click, click, click. Shipping is expensive. I need to buy one more thing. Perfect, cheap headphones.
Important words. Add to cart. Save before buying. Shipping. Delivery cost.
One more box. And one more.
Are you serious?
Your wife bought everything. My truck is empty now.
My wallet is empty too.
Important words. Wallet. Place for money. Empty. Nothing inside.
Open it! Okay. This pencil is huge! What is this hat?
Look at me!
Important word. Huge. Very big.
Wait, these clothes are too big. These shoes are strange. Oh no.
Taylor, how much did you spend?
A lot.
Important word. Spend. Use money.
Look at this. This shop has only 1 star.
Oh no, I didn't check the reviews.
Important words. Review. Opinion. Rating. Stars.
What about this box? I'm not sure. Let's open it. Wow, cool shirt! Beautiful dress! Finally, something good.
Important word. Finally. At last.
Okay, everyone, photo time.
Yay! Wait, I'm coming too. I made a mistake. I bought too many useless things. I am sorry.
It's okay, we learned something.
Yes, never shop when you are sleepy. Always check reviews. And think before you buy.
Important words. Mistake. Something wrong. Think. Use your mind.
Today, no shopping. We go outside.
Good idea. Let's go hiking.
I'm ready. Me too.
Important word. Hiking. Walking in nature. Taylor loved shopping, but she learned an important lesson. Too much shopping can cause problems. Now she enjoys life more and buys less. Question: do you like online shopping? Have you ever bought something funny? Write in the comments.